they will want the Woozoo. Hey everybody, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're talking about one of the most talked about college essentials pretty much out there, and it's one of my favorites. It's the Woozoo fan. As soon as your child starts looking at colleges, you're gonna start hearing about the Woozoo, and you're gonna be like, what is a Woozoo? The Woozoo is the fan that all college students apparently have, and it's great, and I can understand why. Now this is a compact, really powerful fan. It plugs in, it has a remote, because why should they have to get out of bed to adjust the fan, right? But what's cool about it is it's multi-directional. So let's go ahead and turn it on and show you what that means. All right, multi-directional means it goes horizontal and vertical. So it goes side to side and up and down. You could choose one way, you can choose all the ways. It has 5 different speeds. Right now it's on whisper speed. You can't even hear it, can you? Not obviously as powerful as the 5th speed, but quiet as can be. Then you can go ahead and turn it up. Gets a little bit more all the way until you get to the most powerful fan speed, and it kicks out some air, guys. You can hear it, sure, but it's giving you that great white noise that maybe they need when they have a roommate. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down. And as you can see, it goes in up and down, side to side. I can change it and just decide to go up and down. Really, really great. Plus it has a timer. It has 3 timers, as a matter of fact. You can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or I believe 4 hours. And then it'll go off on its own if they just want it on, and they'll fall asleep and then they'll want it to go off. It also has the controls down here. So let's say they can't find their remote, it fell under their bed or something like that. They can still adjust everything right here on the fan. It also has an option to turn off. There's a little light that shows you what speed it's on. You can turn that off in case they want like a totally pitch dark room. But overall, such a great fan. Really, really good. Compact, great for a dorm room. Works phenomenally. You can get them at Costco, and here's the thing with this. There are different versions of it. The Costco version, if you can get it on sale, it ranges at about 40 bucks, but that has to be on sale and it has to be at your Costco. You can get them on Amazon, and they have quite a few different versions, some without the remote that are cheaper, some with the remote. And you know Amazon prices, they fluctuate. Day to day, it's one price, then it's down, then it's up, then it's so. I can't tell you where the best price is right now. I will link it in the description below. You're gonna have to do your research and figure it out, but a lot of times if Costco has it in stock, that's gonna be your best deal, but if you're in a hurry and you wanna grab it from Amazon, I got that link down below. So this is the Woozoo. It is small, it is compact, it is modern, looks good. Every one I know that's going to college has one of these, and it works great. We liked it so much, we bought one for my husband for his office. That's how much we like it. So the Woozoo, you're gonna hear about this Woozoo more than you probably want to hear about the Woozoo as you start hearing more about colleges. So just pick one up so that you know, your kid is cool in their dorm room as much as they can be. So that's it. Check out our videos for other college essentials that I am sending with my kid to college this year, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.